Hey guys, Becky Kelly here with Eaton Realty, and today we're going to talk about hosting an open house and why you would want to. First, exactly what is an open house? This is an opportunity for buyers to come in and tour your home, to walk through, to open the cabinet doors, to jiggle your light switches, look in your closet, and to imagine themselves actually living in the space. It's hosted most often on weekends and can last maybe 2 or 3 hours when people's schedules are the most flexible. And in fact, those that are just driving by can pop in without an appointment. This is an opportunity to maximize exposure for your home, and we want to make sure you make the most of it. So now you know why you should. Let's talk about what you need to do to prepare. First impressions matter when selling your home. Making sure your home is clean is your #1 priority. Buyers are going to be walking through, opening closets and looking at the home. We want to make sure they're focused on your top-of-the-line appliances and not on the burnt, crusty food in your oven. Also, be sure to do a smell check because strong pet odors and food odors can really be a turnoff. Put away your checkbooks, your valuables, and your medications. We don't want any of your personal information out there. Make sure you replace any burnt out light bulbs. And before you go, make sure that every light is on and the blinds are open because we want to maximize the natural light in your home. As the time for the open house draws near, it's time for you to leave. You don't want the buyer feeling awkward or afraid to give feedback because you might be within earshot. As a matter of fact, sometimes the seller can say too much. Letting on that you're relocating might actually tip your hand in the negotiations, or talking about a project you wish you could have gotten to might make the buyer feel like there's some repairs that need to be done. An open house can be a very powerful tool when selling your home, if done correctly. This can be an opportunity to receive great feedback and hopefully find the right buyer. At Eaton Realty, all of our agents have experience hosting successful open houses and are excited to show off your home's features. Contact us today and let's get started moving you forward.